class, today I'm going to be teaching you 5.3, which is normal distribution, which is finding a value. Okay, our first thing is going to be finding a z-score given an area. Let's say our area is 0.3632. 0.3632. We go ahead and back of the book or the paper that I gave you. Here, you go to the back of the book and you try to find the area in the table, and then once you do, you will see that it is in -0.3 is on this side and 0.05 is on that side, so then it equals to 0.3632. So then our z-score will be -0.35. That is our first example. Our second example, moving on, will be finding a z-score given a percentile. Let's say our percentile is P5. Right? We will say that it is 0.05. So then you go to your z-score table and you will match it up to the areas closest to 0.05, which it will be 0.0495 and 0.0505. 0.0505, which the z-scores to these will be -1.65 and -1.64. And then from these two, you have to go put it in the middle, which then will be -1.645. So we're moving on to our next example, which we're going to find out how to transform an x value to a z-score, which is like this. You do the z-score equals mean minus mu over deviation. Okay, and
so how do you transform a z-score into an x value?
oh, good question, Dennis. You transform it by using this formula, which is x equals mu plus z-score times deviation. Yes. Okay. Moving on to our next example. So our next example is finding a specific data value, which you're gonna just by drawing with a graph, and then I'll set up an example for you. So let's say it's like that, and you have that. There's 0. So let's say that's our example. So we have to find a specific data value. So you will use this formula. So then it will be, let's say, mean. So it will be x equals 75 plus 1.645 times 6.5. It's times 6.5 because that's the standard deviation that was given with this example. And if you multiply that, it will equal to 85.69. You can also do this with a calculator using Inform.
So is that your answer, 85.69?
Yes.
What type of, that's your data value?
Yeah.
Mm.
And we're done for the lesson.
Oh man, keep on going, Miss Diaz.
See you next time.